Guys, I'll be showing you the trade that made me lose $38 so you can learn from it. If you're watching this video for the first time, my name is ABC, aka Skilz Forex, and in this video I'll be going over the trades that made me lose $38 and I want you to learn from it. I traded two currency pairs, the USD JPY and the Euro CHF. Euro CHF is one of my favorite pairs that I trade. If you're following my Telegram channel, you will know I trade Euro pairs a lot. So if you're not in my Telegram channel and you want to join, just go to the description to this video and you will see a link to my Telegram channel. Join the link, join the group and enjoy my free signals. USD JPY is the particular trade that made me lose the $38 because I actually closed my Euro CHF on some very little profit, but which still count. But this USD JPY, it made me lose $38. Why? Not really that my analysis was not correct, but I got too emotional with the market and I ended up losing as much as that. Now, based on my 4 hours analysis, the USD JPY was on a downtrend, but later we had our change of structure here. We have the change of structure here, and we had a pullback into our OB, and which played perfectly well. Now I was expecting, we had another higher high, so I was expecting market to draw back into my other block here, but I got caught up with my emotions along the way. Now let me show you something. Now this is my 1 hour analysis. Now I made this analysis, the market was on a downtrend, so I was waiting for price to drop back into this OB and before we start buying to the upside again. But price, a news came in at that time and price keeps pushing to the upside. Now I had another block here. So this was where I started selling. Now I was waiting for price to do what? This was how my short was. I actually placed the stop loss was here, was supposed to be above my other block, and my take profit was supposed to be inside this other block. But what happened? I had a reversal candlestick, so I had a little consolidation inside my other block. Then I started selling. Now I started selling. I didn't place my stop loss, I didn't place my take profit, I only sold the market. Now I started selling, then later market started pushing to the upside. Now market started pushing to the upside against me, and wow, I thought of, then I had this bearish engulfing. Then I just thought of adding more, then I added more positions. Yeah, I saw this bearish engulfing, then I added more positions. Now after adding more positions, market started pushing up to the upside again. Then I was in a lot of loss. Now my loss is now like doubled now. So I was still believing in my setup. Oh, he's going to come back. Then I had this triangle pattern here. Then market broke. This was on 15 minutes. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I was checking this on 15 minutes. Then price broke this triangle to the downside. Then wow, I was expecting more push to the downside like all other traders will do. Then what happened? I had this reversal candlestick again, market pushed back into the triangle. Then I have this doji again. I was thinking price will push back again, but there was still bullish movement in the market. Market keeps pushing to the upside. Then I wanted to close my trades. I was in loss and I wanted to close my trade, and at this point I knew, yeah, this market is gone. It's gone, honestly, and I wanted to close my trade. But what happened? As I was trying to close the trade, the network failed me, and I was in more loss, and that was how I was able to close on minus $38 on this single trade. Now what have you learned from this? I added more positions to losing trades, and that's what I want you to learn from. This is my mistake. Never add more positions to a losing trade. If you want to scale up, scale up a winning trade, not a losing trade. Don't try and think, okay, let me just add more positions so that by the time my first trade enters profit, this one will be doubled already. No, don't think like that. Think about what if this trade doesn't go my way, and that was what happened to me. So never scale, never add to a losing trade, and always check your emotions. Check your emotions. And one thing again, never enter a market without setting your stop loss. Always set your stop loss. Assuming as I had my stop loss in place, network won't fail me, because automatically the trade is going to close once it reaches the price. So I won't have the issue of network. So first thing, I think you must have learned from my mistake is, okay, never add to a losing trade, and what, always make sure you have your stop loss in place. Yeah, I had $50 in my account. Now I'm in minus about $38-39 now. I try to use this $50 to experiment emotions to show you guys. Now I'm going to update you guys on the state of the account in my next video, so don't miss my next video, because I'm going to update you guys on what state my account is. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button, so you won't miss out on my coming content, and that will encourage me in dropping more useful content. So guys, see you in my next video.